Hello everyone, so here me and Jemai wrote. Jemai will go up first and then me. So let's see. Alright, so let's play.
Next time, good job, good try. Come on, Kelly, come on. Strike, strike, strike. Good job. Come on, Caleb, come on. Strike, 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 Caleb.
One thing I gotta tell you, I am Caleb the Great Baller. How about you do like a 6
Strike, strike.
Hey, you videotaping the scoreboard?
Caleb, who played?
Alright, so let's live points. Wait, didn't stop? Oh yeah, you have to do just one frame.
One more, you get there.
Good job.
this is the last frame of this head, and it looks like another head by a head. And now this is Maya's last frame. Let's see what happens next. All right, he's got 84. So, can you just spare this one? Let's see.
You get another turn.
Oh,
wait, that's the 10th one? You're in the 10th frame, yep.
Yeah, it's fair. Let's see what happens this third time.
Let's see, Caleb.
Oh, and he almost made the strike. All right, Evans, now it's my turn.
Caleb's going for a turkey. He's got double strikes. He just might get the turkey. Split. Ooh, almost got split. You have 105.
We don't know.
Yeah, I do. I saw it.
Actually, well, hey guys, I win. Right, let's see the scoreboard. And the score, 125. All right. All right, 131. Commodore family. And we're here in the Seahawks training camp. Let's go see what they have. Got all these. Oh. Yep. I found myself. Everybody. And my friend. That's a good time. Oh, to the Bella? Oh, we're gonna hold it this time. Oh, I feel misty. It's that fan. Yeah, I feel misty.
Thank you. They're gonna join us, Caleb.
See, I'll take a photo.
Wait. Don't turn it on.
Okay. Well, go ahead. Go get your picture taken.
No, it's fine right here. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Got it. There you go.
Look, there's even a water bottle refill station.
Cocktail pep and some Land Jaeger. Go ahead, grab one. Or two. Maya, did you want one? It's fine. Okay, good.
Hey, yeah, look, there's even a water bottle refill station. I like that. Oh, and what is that over there?
That's the entrance.
Oh, there you are. Oh, it looks like we're heading to the entrance right now.
Are these samples?
Yeah, we're also playing in Portland.
That was gonna taste like something.
Come on, Jemiah. We're heading to the entrance. Let's go.
Here you go, Caleb.
Oh, yeah, I look handsome with this hat. Anyway, let's get going. Whoa.
Yeah. We collect and get two.
Dad, there's general seating over there.
Oh, good.
Then I guess we should go.
Oh, you see.
Are you ready? You want to get the seat first?
Oh look, Dad, stop. Look, they even got games. They got Steve-O.
Oh, yeah, football.
I'm not stopping. I'm still recording. Ooh, they got miniature golf too. SEA for Seattle. Awesome. Pick an Aspen.
Listen here.
A little more about what Pete has done. He's a Mid-America Series champion. He's a North American Collegiate Aerobatic champion. He won the V.F. Goodrich Award and was the highest scoring foreign pilot of the U.S. National Championships. He placed 12th in the European Aerobatic Championships and has seven first place finishes and 2 second place finishes in competition events, as well as a second place finish in the advanced category at the U.S. National Aerobatic Championships. Hanging in the straps.
He's like right above us right now.
Hey friends, are you enjoying Beat the Crowd? Come on, Vancouver, make some noise!
Hey, show it to me. Oh, yeah, bro. I'm a man now. Hey.
He's working hard up there, you know, this is like you and I working on a construction site for 8 hours.
Maybe.
Expends the same amount of energy in about 12 minutes. Here he goes, just above the ground, final pass! Up he goes, he's gonna give you a little extra. There's a top side, rolling the aircraft around, there's the top side again. He would like to take this opportunity to thank his leading sponsors, all of whom allow him to focus on what he does, that is, bring up the skies like he is here. Red Bull, because Red Bull, of course, gives you wings. Diamond Aircraft, Hamilton Watches, American Spirit, Swiss Precision. Also like to thank Garmin, TV Cashback World, AI Avionics Installations, XU Aviation, Hitchhiker Group, Aero, KDEX Aircraft Parts and Services, Canis, BMC Specialty Products, and Lycon Aircraft Engine. Let's give a big round of applause to Pete